Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and this is a LED modified Land Cruiser Prado scale model by Modell-litchsysteme. And in this video I'm going to explain how the LED light system works. So first of all, in the engine bay is where I will insert the battery for the light system to work, and with this magnet I can operate it in a sequence. So at the front we have parking lights, low beam, high beams and fog lamps. So that was the front setup, and from here under the left D pillar I can operate the indicators or hazard lamps. This also works in a sequence, first the left side, then the right side, and then the hazard lamps. And now let's talk about the best part of this model, the interior lighting. So it has illuminated dashboard, footwell lighting, illuminated trunk, ambient lighting, and all of these are very nicely done, and the interior in general has a very high amount of attention to detail. And one more amazing feature is that if I open any door, the cabin light will turn on, and vice versa, if I close the door, the light will turn back off very smoothly like a real car. And all of this work is done very neatly and has really high amount of attention to detail. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, you can also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So thanks for watching.